Hello guys, welcome to Lali's EduHub, and it's been good to be back again. It's been a while. I'm alive. Okay, so if you're not subscribed to the channel, please make sure you subscribe. Hit that subscription button now, and don't forget to also hit the notification button so anytime I upload a video, you'll probably be the first to see. So today I'm going to introduce you to something that is trending, something very popular, something interesting, and something mind blowing. And you probably know of it, you've probably used it, but there are a few things you need to know about it. Okay, so today we are going to learn about five things you can use with Chat GPT, or five things you can use Chat GPT for. I've seen quite a number of people using it probably for the assignments, asking questions. But there are things you don't know you can use it for. So I'm going to introduce you to five of these things so it can aid you in your research works and what have you. So yes, ChatGPT is very common and you might be wondering what it is if you've probably not heard of it. So it is just an artificial intelligence language that is designed to generate human-like responses to natural language inputs, and it allows the user to interact with the system through written or spoken language. So you can either type your language or just input a voice and it's going to get all the information you need for you. So one good thing about the chat GPT is it has been trained on a very huge amount of data from the internet, and it can perform a wide range of tasks like the basic things we do, answering of questions, providing recommendations. Can you provide me with this? And it's going to give you lots of recommendations. And it also helps in generating creative content. So I think I can also try to say, how can I make 5K subscribers in 1 minute? Well, it's not possible though. That is just by the way. And the chat GPT is very trending, and if you're a student, you should take advantage of this and make good use of it. And also, I've been hearing people say it is making students lazy and it's reducing their thinking ability. Well, that is very true because something you can use your brains to do in 3 hours, it's probably doing it for you in a minute. And it's very annoying, right? Yeah. But if you're smart, you should also learn how to explore good ways to use the chat GPT and increase and train your brains just like the chat GPT. So I'm going to help you with that by um, introducing you to five things you can use the chat GPT for. So the basic thing you need to start with is just to um, log in or create an account with it. So you can just open your browser, you can download it on your phone, just type Chat GPT. It's there. You're gonna see here. Just open it and just come down, try Chat GPT. And mind you, if you don't have an account, it's going to tell you to create an account. You just have to input your name, your email, and it's free in. All right. So one good thing about the Chat GPT is, whilst you input your command and it gives you a feedback, it gives you the history of the things you've already searched for, so you can easily go back to them. So the first thing we want to know is it is a learning language, So you can use ChatGPT to generate language learning exercises and quizzes. So you have a course you don't understand, you have a course you are preparing to write exams on. You just need to copy the course content and just paste it and just give it a command, and it's going to give you lots of multiple choice questions, lots of fill-in questions or random questions so you can prepare for your quizzes and exams. So let's give it a try. You can just open the material you want. So this is a whole material, so you can just copy, Control C, then we open it, we paste it here. Then you can give it the command generate multiple choice questions. multiple choice questions with answers, right? Yeah. Okay. So one thing is, if you don't input your thoughts right, it's going to give you some shafts you don't need. So you can generate possible questions with answers. So let's see. Yeah. So what is African growth rate, and it's to give you an answer. What are some of the challenges facing, and it's giving you answers. So basically this is one way. So if you are okay, you can just click on stop generating, or if you want other response, you can click on regenerate response. So let's give it another try. Generate, is it possible? Fill in questions. So you see, so this is an example of fill in questions. So what is the goal of this? And to give you, if you want 1,000 questions, you can just write generate 1,000 fill in questions, or you can say generate objective questions. So you see, so anytime you're doing it, you need to make sure tallies with what you're doing. And it's very good if you are preparing for your exams, you're preparing for your IA, and you just need to copy and paste your course material, and it is going to do it for you. So with the same extract, um, let's say you're reading a particular extract and you don't understand. So let's copy this, Control C, then paste. Then you can say explain further. So you see, it is going to explain the point further for you, so you can understand it better. So you see, it's a very good tool. Or better still, you have this whole information. You can just say and paste it, summary, and it's going to summarize it for you. Very, very, very efficient and easy to use. So it's going to summarize a whole lot of things for you. Or sometimes, if you want to be more specific, you can just say summarize in 3 lines. Well, So you see, it has summarized all these chaps for you in just this few thing. So depending on what you want to use it for, you can use it. So the chat GPT can also use for translation. So you can use it to translate from one language to the other. So it can translate from French to English, from English to Chinese. So we want to translate this to Chinese, translate to Chinese, and you see it is doing it for you. 你想 Yeah, I don't know if I had my Chinese right, but I didn't take my Chinese lesson serious. So you see, you can probably translate to tree, and it's going to get a translation for you, but it says, I'm sorry, I'm not able to translate to tree. It's not commonly supported by my language capabilities. Yeah, then you can also say, try a different language, translate to Ewe. Let's see if that is also possible. It's also not possible. So you can see it is giving you options and the ones it's comfortable with. So translate to French. Yeah. So it is a very good tool for translating also. Yeah. So you get it. So another way you can also use a chat GPT, you can also use it for reference. So let's say explain the concept of malaria with references. So it's going to explain malaria, and you see it's going to give lots of references for you. So you see it has given you all the references. Or better still, you can say, just copy and paste this, explain the concept of with in-text citations. Let's see what we have here. So you see, it is doing it with in-text and citations for you. Yeah. So another way you can also use the chat GPT for aside the question answering, um providing quizzes and what have you. It can also solve mathematical tests. So say you have doubts. I have some questions here. Let's go through. Let's go through. Let's go through. Let's go through. So I have some questions here. So you can just copy the questions and let's paste it. And let's see what we have here. So as you can see, it will solve the questions for you without stress. So as you can see, it has solved this mathematical questions for us, and I've tried them myself, and the answers were right. They were right. Yeah. And one last thing I would like to tell you is those doing research works, you can probably input your research questions and interact with it. So you input your research proposal, then you say generate research objectives for me, generate a methodology for me. How do I which research method type should I use? Um, generate literature review for me, generate um, interview guide for me, and what have you. So all these are amazing ways you can use Chat GPT, and probably it is one of the most interesting and scariest tool we have seen. And depending on how you want to use it, make sure you use it efficiently, and it's going to help you. So you guys, if this video has been helpful, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button, comment your thoughts, or if you have any other ideas you think ChatGPT can be used for, feel free to comment it in the comment section below so we can get interactive. Bye.